Hi friends, welcome to my channel Nifty Se Aage. I have given a detail on strategy in English about how you can earn 3% out of Nifty weekly options. I have explained the strategy in detail in a video which I am uploading in due time. You should not get into the strategy before you see that video. It is extremely important for you to see the video and then use this strategy, because this particular video I am making for forecasting the range for week ending December 16. So friends, week ending December 16, the range of Nifty may remain between 17,200 and 17,800. 17,200 can prove to be a good support and 17,800 can become a good resistance. And so the range is around 600 points and the midpoint is 17,500. Now in case on Friday you see the Nifty opens, today Nifty closed on Thursday at around 17,525, so or 17,516 or so. So if it goes up and nears 17,600 or maybe 17,625, you can take an informed decision when the Nifty starts going up and crosses 17,600, and then at some point in time it starts meeting a resistance somewhere and it starts retracing. That is the point where you should sell the 17,800 call, and before you sell 17,800 call you should buy a 17,950 call. So you buy the call first and then sell the call. Now in case Nifty retraces from 17,500 and goes down below 17,400, then in that case you have to see the point where the Nifty is taking a support and starts bouncing back. That is the point you should sell 17,200 put, and before you sell 17,200 put you should buy 17,050 put. So first buy the 17,050 put and then sell the 17,200 put. Now friends, in case on Friday Nifty has only move on one side, say is moving only on the one side, which is, say it moves from 17,500 and goes through 17,600 and reaches 17,600, say 30, and from there it starts retracing a bit and then it again goes up, then again retraces, and finally it closes around that point. Then you should only sell the call for Friday and patiently wait till Monday, Tuesday for the Nifty to retrace, and I am certain it will retrace towards 17,400. When it retraces and it starts taking support at a certain point, that is the point where you should sell the 17,200 put at a decent premium. With this strategy friends, you can easily earn around 4 to 4.5% of profit. After cutting all the cost, your profit would still be upward of 3% every week. So friends, if you are confident of the levels, if you know how to ascertain support as well as resistance, then you can use this strategy on your own. You can use the strategy by yourself and make a decent monthly income out of this weekly strategy. In case you feel you need help, you need help in making the right position at the right time, then in that case you can join my paid up group. You can WhatsApp me on 90739 15315 to join the group and take help from me and become confident in few weeks to make the position by yourself. At the point where you become confident, you can leave the group. You don't need to pay any further fee. Whatever fee you are paying friends, you will be able to recover it within a week. That much I can tell you. And after that you keep on learning for the remaining 3 weeks, and once the month is gone you may have to either re-enroll or you can leave and use the strategy on your own. I hope friends this strategy becomes useful for you, and if you are a disciplined trader, you will always gain from this strategy. If there are abnormal weeks where I would see the Nifty range being very big, in that case I would either suggest you not to trade for that week, or I would suggest you a larger range with a decent midpoint, so that even if you have a urge to trade in that week, you should trade carefully. So friends, with this, I would like to give you a disclaimer also, that whatever knowledge I am sharing with you is based on my own research, and it's completely purely for educational purposes. I am not a SEBI authorized financial advisor. So you should take advice from your own financial advisor before taking any decision in the market, because friends, market is full of risk, and with your money you can either make a profit or loss. So you need to consult your financial advisor before you take any action. In case you join my group, I have given you the WhatsApp number. I hope, friends, you have a great week ahead, and many more weeks in 2022 also. Thank you so much, friends. Till next week, goodbye. Take care. Corona is still a little bit here or there. Take care of your loved ones. Thank you very much, friends. Now, I would come with the next update on, say, 16th of December, when the closing is completed. In the evening, I'll come with an update for 23rd of December. Thank you very much, friends. Goodbye.